Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to file your taxes in Canada by yourself. I'll explain everything in simple language, from gathering your documents to using tax software to make the process easier. Let's get started. Understand who needs to file and the deadlines. If you earned money in Canada, you generally need to file a tax return. This includes people who work for an employer, are self-employed, or have investment income. Important deadlines. For most people, the tax filing deadline is April 30th. If you're self-employed, you have until June 15 to file your return. But remember, any tax owed is still due by April 30. Gather the necessary documents. Before you start, make sure you have these documents handy. These are provided by your employer and show how much you earned during the year. If you have investment income, you'll get T5 slips for interest and dividends, and T3 slips for income from trusts or mutual funds. These show the amount you contributed to your registered retirement savings plan or first-time home savings account. Contributions here can lower your taxable income. Keep receipts for any expenses that may lower your taxes, such as receipts for deductions and credits, medical expenses, charitable donations, childcare costs, moving expenses, if you moved for work or school. This document from the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, confirms the details from your previous tax return and can be helpful for reference. Filing your taxes. You have two main options: filing online or filing on paper. Filing online is the most popular because it's faster and often more accurate. Here's a simple step-by-step guide if you decide to file online. There are several user-friendly options available. I'll mention a few later. Sign up on the software's website if you haven't already. Follow the step-by-step instructions. The software will ask for your personal details, income information, and any deductions or credits you want to claim. This handy tool can import some of your information directly from the CRA, saving you time and reducing errors. Before you submit, double-check everything to make sure all the numbers and details are correct. Once you're confident everything is right, send your tax return online. The CRA will review your submission and send you a notice of assessment, which will tell you if you owe money or if you'll receive a refund. 4. Maximizing your tax benefits. To make sure you get the most out of your return, here are some tips. Check if you qualify for deductions like your RRSP contributions, medical expenses, charitable donations, and childcare costs. Keep your receipts and documents organized throughout the year. This makes tax time much less stressful. Tax rules can change every year, so it's a good idea to check the latest information on the CRA website before you file. If your situation is complex or you're unsure about any step, it might be worth talking to a tax professional. With tax software options. Using tax software can simplify the process. Here are a few popular options in Canada. TurboTax Canada offers step-by-step guidance and works well for both simple and more complex tax situations. UFile, known for its accuracy and smooth integration with the CRA systems. StudioTax, a great free or low-cost option for many taxpayers. SimpleTax, now SimpleTax. Simple to use with a pay-what-you-want model, which makes it very accessible. These tools guide you through every step and help reduce mistakes. Filing your taxes in Canada on your own doesn't have to be hard. Just remember to gather all your documents. Follow the easy steps in your chosen tax software. Double-check everything before you submit. Claim all the deductions and credits you're eligible for. If your tax situation is a bit complicated, don't hesitate to get help from a professional. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide makes filing your taxes a lot easier. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more simple guides like this. Good luck and happy filing!